譬如我今日我講晒一裝嘅字，消化唔到咁多㗎啦。起碼而家我講一部分裝咧，你知道裝嘅用意喺邊度？你有個打裝嘅時間，你嘅意識嘅，即係你嘅意念喺邊度？最緊要知呢樣嘢。頭先我所講嘅咧，就係咪講呢一樣嘢？唔好將門裝一路拍啊當佢內門啊，起碼你知道呢種情咧，你第二裝都會。
Seafood says he's deliberately covered up the 40 movements of the dummy just to give those of us who've never played with the dummy before some idea of how much the dummy as a data object can enhance your knowledge and your interest.
至於棍咧，棍係等於單手嚟嘅。
It's pretty much equivalent to a single hand.
詠春嘅棍咧，同詠春嘅單手冇咩分別。
There's not much difference between a Wing Chun pole and a single hand technique.
或者兩個人黐棍啊，同黐單手唔爭得好多。
You get two people with sticky pole pretty much the same as single hand.
問題咧係要經過呢度冇兩支棍咯，係要經過做釘棍嘅階段啦，然後大家係畫住圈。釘棍點掂就要釘㗎啦，你唔係揸支棍兩個人。錯咗最初嘅時間釘係咁樣釘㗎，最初嘅時間。佢哋咁樣嘅。兩支棍咧，大家咁摸啦。咁樣。然後咧，佢縮我咁樣過嚟，俾你釘，唔係攞嗱，譬如而家嗱，我咁樣攞，咁咧你就攞翻支棍槍過嚟㗎，槍一下呢邊，槍呢一邊，嗰陣時咧係俾你練呢下釘棍嘅啫，同埋槍過呢邊咧，俾你練呢啲釘棍，釘到熟咧，咪然後咧又是攞咧，到我做俾你釘啦，到我做俾你釘，我做俾你釘啦。然後又攞你做俾我釘，同埋呢啲力咧你啱啊！咁之後咧，我畫圈嚟畫界㗎，兩個一路打㗎，叫做畫個圈。呢兩個人都唔入呢個圈㗎，一路大家咁一路纏佢呢個一路我哋或者大家攞呢啲位咧喺度黐棍咧，都唔入呢一個圈㗎。通常棍入邊咧。棍啊，係好難玩得好嘅，棍得7下嘅啫，所以叫6點半。
There's 7 techniques on the dummy, on the pole, and people call it 6.5.
而家棍咧，佢個打個方法咧，亦都同 fencing 好似嘅。
There's a lot of parallels to concepts of fencing, the principles of fencing.
好似嘅。而所謂嘅6點半咧，不過咧佢係有下棍出咗去，唔再翻嚟嘅，就喺出邊打咁解嘅，所以叫6點半。
There's one
佢入邊有下咁嘅，最玩到最拉屎嘅時間咧，有下咁嘅棍。呢下咧，即係佢支棍喺出邊，嗱，而家本來我敵人喺呢個位㗎嚇，佢一攞支棍咧，佢就喺呢個位咁將翻落。即係唔再翻嚟出嘅，就喺呢個位出落，同標指呢個動作咧係有相似。不過而係呢下棍係最難練嘅，因為點解難練咧？通常即係我咁槍上去，甚至我槍到平都唔難，最難打低嘅。因為低咧受個地心吸力嘅影響，你支棍自動落去。咁你既然自動落咧，你想打嗰啲位，你去到嗰支棍你會低咗嘅。
So what happens is Sifu say he's using the weight of the actual pole to thrust it down. And this is one of the most difficult techniques there are. Because most of the other techniques are a thrust where you control it with a fulcrum on the lead hand. In this instance, the reason why it's called a half move, you've got 6 full moves where you thrust, take back, take a shape, and thrust again. And this last one, you're out there, you've already pushed out and you do a thrust, and there's no recoil. That's why it's half a move. So that's where the 6.5 point pole.
真正嚟講，我可以話一樣嘢，我唔中意我啲棍唔係好叻㗎。
Sifu says he's not very good at the pole.
因為任何嘢都係你唔練就唔會叻。但係你話我要教咩？我要教個人叻過我好多都得，只要佢肯練。
I can help you become very good at the pole, but you must be.
但係我自己唔係好叻。但唔係我唔明白，而係我所謂唔叻咧，就係我唔係好練棍。
I'm not very good at it because I don't do it very often.